Hi, I'm Mandeep Singh, CEO and founder of Mandeeps.com and Vanjaro. Thank you so much for joining me in this series of preview videos of Vanjaro. So let's get started. At Vanjaro, we're on a mission to build an enterprise-level CMS that is easier to use than Wix.com, Squarespace, or Weebly. And we're not leaving any stone unturned. As an admin, you have full control over your page, its layout, and styling. You can customize each block and its styling from the styling tab, which we'll cover in a separate video. But today I'm going to introduce a new concept, and that is theme editor. We'll look at how do we customize design blocks that are part of themes, such as menu and the sign up account and sign out and the logo and so forth. So we can do that as well, and these are design blocks right here that you can then style and customize by editing your theme. We can do that by going to menu, design, themes, and I currently have the default theme applied, and you can then click on customize. As you can see here, we have a theme editor, and this lets us customize the entire theme site-wide from a centralized location. For example, I could go ahead and set up my primary, secondary colors down from here, which are then reflected throughout the site and each block. Or I can go ahead and start customizing my menu. For example, here's the primary navigation, and maybe I want the menu to be a little bit larger, so I can go ahead and make it a little bit larger. I can go ahead and change the color to any color I want right there. So that's pretty cool. I can change the hover color, the active color, the border color that appears. I can make the font bold or maybe ultra bold, and then I have the choice of fonts. I can change the font to something else, and then I can make it italic if I want to. I can play with the letter spacing. I can make it all uppercase. Now, this is something that is driven by the theme, and the theme developer decides what options they want to make available to you. As an admin, you can add your own options as well. Behind the scenes, this is nothing but a bunch of sass that is being compiled into CSS when you click on save. We'll have a separate video covering what we call theme builder and how to build this UI, which is super cool, doesn't require any code or any fiddling with the code. It's all done through the UI. But for this video and demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and continue. If you don't like what you've done, you can always reset it and goes back to where it was. And when you like what you've done, you can save it, and that will become part of your theme. But let's go ahead and look at something else. There's a sign up account on the top. Let's say if there's an avatar in there, I want to make the avatar bigger. I can go ahead and do that. Let's see. That's pretty good. Maybe I don't want it rounded. I can have it square, or maybe I can just have a little bit rounded corners. So all that option is there. If I want to change the color, I can do that as well. And then same with the font size. I can make it bigger, smaller. So every single aspect of Vanjaro is 100% customizable out of the box without any code. Whether it is your design element, even your sign-in form. So let me go ahead and do a quick demo too. I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my sign-in page here. So let's go ahead and do that. There's my sign-in page right there. And then let's go back to my theme and let's customize that. And there's my sign-in form. And then I have the ability to customize this totally. And maybe I want to change that to another color. There's the background color changing. Of course, remember I had the full control over the page to begin with. I can go ahead and change the background colors and so forth, and we'll demonstrate that in a separate video. But let's go back to the theme, and there's my background color right there. I can go ahead and change it around if I want to anything I want. Same thing, I have control over button. I can change the button color. I can change the button background as well. Change the font size around. Give it a different font, change the letter spacing. So full control, total control over all that. I mean the labels as well. I can change the font size on that, change the colors, change the letter spacing and so forth. This is still work in progress, but I think it's ready to at least do a quick demo now to let you know the amount of functionality and power that's packed into default theme of Vanjaro. Now, this doesn't mean there won't be any commercial themes, because this actually creates a great opportunity for all the vendors out there to actually create themes that are ready to go, and as an end user you can use, that comes with tons of different templates, so it makes setting up your site super quick and super simple. But we made it super easy for vendors or for power users to be able to go ahead and create their own themes without actually fiddling with any code. Now, if you're curious how this works in the background and how you could add your own properties to this and how you can customize this, then we have what we call our theme builder that I will go ahead and cover in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social networks. Head over to Vanjaro.com and join the conversation. Let us know what you think about Vanjaro.